I wanted to do an update video on my diesel tank turned into fireplace for my shop. I added 6 3-inch pipes. They go all the way through to the back. And the fire gets those pipes nice and hot. And then I installed an old furnace squirrel cage fan that I had off of an old furnace, and then just the end of a 55-gallon drum that's on there as kind of a shroud to get the air into the pipes. So I just started the fire. I'll come back in a few minutes and I'll turn the fan on and see how hot it gets. I'm still working on a heat shield. That's why the Durarock's back there, but to protect my shop, I had it set up, but then when I put the fan on there, I had to change it. So this is just an update to my other video. If you haven't seen that, then go ahead and look at that one, and I'll get back to you in a few more minutes. Let this fire get going pretty good, and then we'll turn the fan on. As you can see, pipes are getting nice and hot. So let's go ahead and turn the fan on. See what that's like. Definitely putting out some heat now. That's much better. Capturing that heat that's inside. I was losing a lot of heat just because it takes so much fire to get that thing super hot. So this way, you know, I'm 6 feet away from it and I can feel the heat coming off of it. So this is gonna be a nice addition to my shop. I could have put in more pipes, but for the cost, it was kind of expensive to buy the pipes, so I just went with the 6. That was 2 sticks. The tank's 5 foot 1 inches, so I couldn't get 4 pipes out of 1 stick of tubing. I could only get 3, so I bought 2 sticks. And everything else I had here, so. Man, it's hot. That's 2 feet away, and we wouldn't want to leave your out there. Anyways, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comments, and I'll answer them. But this will definitely heat up my shop. Have a good one. It's been just about an hour since I've had this going. I've had the fan on pretty much the whole time. And it got hot enough in here that I could take my jacket off and just in a t-shirt. So I added this rack. It goes the full length of it, just out of 1-inch tubing. But I just wanted to see if it helped just raising it up a little bit. But I'm gonna put some legs on it, raise it up even more, get that fire even closer to pipes. But anyways, it's been an hour, and I'd say it's probably 65 in here right now. It's 48 degrees outside, so I need to get a temperature gauge in here, thermometer. I need to get a thermometer in here so that I can tell how warm it actually is. But I've been comfortable in here. I took my jacket off probably 40 minutes into it. And I've just been cleaning my shop and just kind of walking around, but I've been totally comfortable. So it's definitely nice. I got some other ideas to keep the heat in the pipe and get the heat around the pipe. One is raising the rack up. And then I thought about making a piece of metal that will go across these to keep the fire kind of in there. But the door is only 13 inches across the square, or across the corner, so just barely big enough to make it happen. So I had a different idea as well. On top of the brick, it's almost 13 inches up to the pipe. So I could put in a piece of metal from the brick up to the pipe to kind of funnel all the flames to the pipe. So that's another idea that I could do. Anyways, it's nice and warm in here. I'm gonna go inside in about 15 minutes, just let that fire die down a little bit more and then head inside for the night. Anyways, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. I'll answer them. Talk to you later. Bye.